Coffee,
Marirealize
kape,
mo
kapi.
na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay pag masaya ka.
Kalinga beans are 100% from the Robusta variety, giving off a mild aroma alongside and its earthy flavor. Kaya't halina, tara na, sakay na! Sa Kalinga mo lang malalasap ang tunay na saya. This type of bean is known to have a little more caffeine compared to others. It makes for great cappuccino or espresso, but we recommended taking it black to get the full flavor.
Kalinga Brew.